Here's Messi. Good run from him, and the header is comfortable for Doblas.
Messi with a cross there, Bojanielu. See the footwork, balance of Lionel Messi, the right-footed cross.
Messi, lovely pass. Maxwell, away by Lanzaro. Messi! And this time the deflection takes it rather further away from the goal than the earlier incident, but it will be another Barcelona corner. Alves again. Lovely pass. Messi! And the ricochet off the goalkeeper is kind for Jarosik, only as far as Xavi Hernandez. Pedro in towards Messi, who was brave against Doblas. Messi gets away from Undur. Xavi setting up the shot for Mascherano. Good save from Doblas. Exactly the way it's shaping up at the moment. Messi. Pedro. And Xavi! Mascherano. Dani Alves playing at centre forward at the moment. Here's Messi. Just trying to invite a challenge. Still it's Messi. All very tight, still there, Keita makes the breakthrough. It almost seemed impossible for Lionel Messi to produce a cross out of that tight situation, but there's nothing beyond Lionel Messi, it seems, and Keita makes it 1-0 for Barca.
That'll be a major disappointment for Zaragoza, so close to getting to half-time and keeping that clean sheet. But Barcelona have been persistent. They've tried to change things. You just mentioned the fact Dani Alves went and played at centre forward. Messi then drifted onto the right. It's all about trying to come up with a solution to break down this mass defence from Zaragoza. They play with loads of spirit. They're well coached. They're well organised. When you see this goal go in, yes, it's a midfield player breaking through, getting into the 18-yard box. And Keita does that superbly well. Messi up against loads of white shirts. Paulo da Silva, you think has got to block the cross. White shirt strewn all over the floor in the 18-yard box. Diego, I think, goes to ground. Lanzaro makes a mess of the clearance. Great skills from Messi. Zaragoza probably for the first time tonight, they haven't stopped a cross coming into the box. It's a simple tap in for Keita, but it's a fact he's there in that.
Having rested the likes of David Villa, Andres Iniesta and Sergio Busquets, I'm sure Pep Guardiola will be looking at to get a 2, maybe 3 goal advantage early in the second half, where he can rest other key players ahead of the return against Arsenal. Messi didn't seem to do anything there, but left Undur puzzled in the extreme.
I think he hypnotised him. You see, is he watching the ball? Is he watching Messi's feet? He doesn't have a clue what he's doing in the end.
Well, Messi, so often the important goal scorer. The assist for Seydou Keita. Here's Pedro. Xavi. That's the goal scorer, Keita. Nice passing this from Barcelona. Villa in behind. Got away from Jarosik. Alves. Messi. Brilliant from Messi. Keita. Mascherano. Alves. Teased in towards Pedro. Lanzaro was there. We want the insurance of the second goal. Pedro. Lovely cross. And there's the chance for Messi. Not an easy one. Didn't quite get hold of it as he would have wished.
It's a lofty cross in towards the box. Sick with a header that deflects towards Lionel Messi.
Messi, mesmerising stuff. Villa trying to return the pass to break down, and there was previously the case when they failed to win any of their first 9 league games of the season. Last attack of the game. Here's Messi. Clearly brought down by Lanzaro. Yellow card for the Italian.
Try and get a shock, late equalising goal. Barcelona finished this match off in style. And here we got Villa, Alves, Xavi and Messi. Not a bad little lineup, is it? Take your pick. I know my money's on. He hasn't scored a goal tonight. He earns the free kick in the last minute. And Xavi had the last one, didn't he, in a similar situation?
Well, he's just 4 goals short, Lionel Messi, of the Brazilian Ronaldo's all-time record of goals in a single season for Barcelona in their illustrious history. 143. Be he to strike, it will make it. Oh, almost 44. I think most of this stadium and me thought we were going to see the back of the net ripple. It had beaten Doblas, but also his left-hand post. A warm exchange between Guardiola and Aguirre. 1 single goal late on in the first half from Seydou Keita, enough. Barcelona 10 points clear at the top again.